Today, I'm sharing how I cook stir-fry lotus root with black fungus. It has some extra steps, but it is totally worth it. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 220 grams of lotus roots. Always soak the cut lotus root in the water as they oxidize very fast. This is what the lotus root look like. Remove the skin and cut it into half vertically. Then slice it into thin slices, so it looks like this. 120 grams of cut carrots, 150 grams of black fungus, around 700 ml of water, 40 grams of spring onions, 20 grams of red dates with seed removed, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, quarter teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic oil, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of tapioca flour, and quarter of lime. Start with boiling the lotus roots. Put all the water in the pot and switch on the heat. Put in all the lotus roots. Carrot and red dates. This is a hard type of red dates. Boil it together with the lotus root to soften them. Next, squeeze the lime. Boil the lotus root with the lime juice to make it lighter in color. Also, it adds a little sourness in the lotus roots, which will be nice when we stir frying it. Cover the pot and allow it to cook for 25 minutes. While waiting for the lotus root to boil, prepare the tapioca flour mix. Add in all tapioca flour in the mixing bowl. Add in 2 tablespoons of water. Give it a mix until the flour is dissolved. Leave it aside. After 20 minutes, it's almost ready. See, the boiling water is very clear. If lime juice was not added, the water would be much darker in color. Add in the black fungus. By the time the lotus roots are ready, the black fungus would be cooked too. After 25 minutes of cooking the lotus roots, it is now ready. Remove all the vegetable from the pot by straining them to separate the vegetable and the stock. Place the vegetable in the large bowl. We will use some of the stock for our stir fry later on. For the balance of the stock, it can be used to cook noodles or vegetable soup. It is really sweet. Switch on the heat. Add in all garlic oil. Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. Until the oil is hot, add in all the cooked lotus root and the vegetable, pepper, sesame oil, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Oops, the black fungus is popping as it gets the heat. This is normal. Add in about quarter cup of vegetable stock. Stir for about 30 seconds or until all vegetable and seasoning are well incorporated. Add in all of the spring onions and half of the crispy fried garlic. Keep the other half for garnishing later on. Give it a final mix. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. For this, it is already delicious and perfect. Lastly, add in the tapioca flour mix to thicken the gravy. Give it a stir. Alright, it is done. Let's dish out and serve. Top it up with some crispy fried garlic. Beautiful. Let's eat. Wow, so tasty and flavorful. This is suitable as a vegetable dish for special occasion. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.